Hi, my name's Kyle Brock. Welcome to Arizona and FrameTec's component manufacturing facility in Camp Verde. FrameTec uses advanced manufacturing to produce high-quality components to make modern housing possible. Our team will take you through the key stages of our roof truss manufacturing process from start to finish.
Hi, I'm Charlie, Design Manager here at FrameTec. This is where the design process begins. This is also where we check for accuracy and errors and create the files that we send to production for manufacturing.
Hi everyone, my name is Nick Signorino. I'm Truss Production Manager here at FrameTec. Once design is complete, I take our batched files and load them into our Randek Production Planner. This is our Randek saw, where we take all of our timber to cut cords and webs for our trusses. I'm excited to show you guys our Randek AutoEye 60-foot truss system and press. Our cords and webs are assembled here on our 60-foot table using the help of our overhead laser projection guidelines. Once the components are assembled, the nail bridge automatically staples each joint using corrugated staples. The attached portal inkjet also IDs each truss, so each truss can be clearly identified in the field. Once complete, the truss is transferred from the table jigs to an in-feed conveyor to prepare for plating. Once the truss reaches our AutoEye tent, a camera takes a picture of each joint to ensure perfect truss plate placement. After plating, each truss goes through the finish roller to provide final quality assurance to ensure all nail plates are secure for transport and construction. And out here, when the trusses are finished, they're stacked and packed, ready to load on a truck for delivery.